So many first-time homebuyer grants and programs that are available in the Tampa Bay area, and most of them have overall the same eligibility requirements. Some are different, in little ways, but for the most part, they all have just about the same eligibilities and requirements. They all income based. They all gonna look at your credit score. They all have specific properties that that are eligible. Most of them are location based. So it's gonna be up to you to decide where you want to live. And once you decide that, just look into the different areas to see what programs they have available. In this video, I am just going to point out some of the available programs. I'm probably just going to hit it and run, but I just wanted to put it out there for you, and I will include links in the description of these videos so you can go back and really do your own research on these programs. Now, just because I mentioned these programs does not mean that they are all currently available. Some of them are shut down for now, but they will get back around. So I wanted to put it out there so when they do come back around, you are ready to rock and roll. My name is Josett. I'm a local real estate agent right here in Tampa, Florida. If you've not yet seen me or followed me before, then go ahead, do that. Hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video. Let's jump right into it. One of the first programs that are available, or that will become available, okay, because Florida Hometown Heroes is a great program, but the money don't last. It goes by pretty quick and you have to be fast, okay? So, and this one is not available now, but it will be coming like July 1st or something, in the month of July. They'll open it up again. It will get funded and the money will be there. So if you want that, you have to like really get on board as quickly as you can. So you can get up to $35,000 with this particular program to help with down payment and / closing costs, which helps to lower your mortgage and make homeownership a reality. You must be a first-time home buyer. Just like I said, most of these programs are going to have the same requirements. So I'm just going to jump on it. This one, you need a credit score of at least 640. It will be based, your income will be based on your household size and location. You have to do home buyer education. It has to be your first house, in the sense of you got to be a first-time home buyer, and it's going to be your primary resident. Then you have the FHA loan program. Your minimum down payment amount is about 3.5%. You need a minimum score. According to FHA, is about 580. Most lenders are going to ask you for 620. You have the 13,000 FHA Simply Solar program. This is a program that would give you an extra $13,000 that you can use any way you want to, but you have to agree to put solar panel on your house. Minimum credit score, again, FHA is 580, but most lenders are going to ask you for maybe a 620. For this one, you have to complete 6 to 8 hours online home buyer education class, and the solar panel has to be installed within 90 days of you closing that house. The next one is called Owner Home Opportunity Grant. It will give you up to 5% of the total loan amount, which you can apply towards your down payment and or your closing cost. Minimum credit score for this one, 640. Eligible properties, single family homes, condominiums, and townhomes. They will give you up to $10,000 in assistance, and with a 0% interest. No monthly payments is required until you sell, refinance, or you reach the 30-year term. Must meet the purchase price and income limit, and that is going to be based on your household size and location, and again, complete home buyer education. Then there is the Good Neighbor Next Door. It's 50% discount of the list price of homes located in designated areas, revitalization areas. And that just really encourages community revitalization and home ownership. Your requirements: you must be a full-time either a teacher, law enforcement officer, firefighter, emergency medical technician, stuff like that. And you have to agree to live in the property. It has to be your sole residence, and the house must be located in a HUD designated revitalization area, and it must be a single family residence. Next up, Homebuyers program will give you up to $12,500 in down payment / closing cost assistance, again at a 0% interest. And the loan, like all the others, is deferred, or like most of the others, is deferred until you either sell the house, refinance the house, or the mortgage is paid off. Then we have SHIP, the first time homebuyers program will give you up to $25,000 in down payment assistance. Again, it is forgiven after 10 to 15 years. So if you live in the home as your primary resident for 10 to 15 years, then you don't have to pay this back. Eligible properties, this one is single families, condominiums, townhomes. Of course, there's a VA mortgage, minimum score. There really isn't any minimum score for VA, but most lenders are going to require one. You must be an active duty military member or a surviving spouse or veteran. You have to serve a minimum term of active duty, or you have to have been discharged honorably. The surviving spouse of veterans who died in the line of duty or as a result of a service-connected disability may also be eligible. And then there's the USDA, which is like 100% financing. You have to buy in a rural area. Your minimum credit score is about 580. That's FHA rules too, 580 for both that. And the low down payment rates, you have lower rates, which results in lower monthly mortgage payments. You must meet income limits based on household size and location. The property must be in a designated rural area. Eligible properties, again, single family, condominiums, manufactured homes that meet your safety and habitable standards. There's one called FHFA, first time homebuyer discount, which is automatic mortgage rate discounts of up to 1.75% points on a conventional 30-year fixed rate mortgage. Reduces your monthly mortgage payment by up to 20%, making home ownership more affordable. And the discount amount varies depending on your credit score, your down payment, the property type, and the loan type. You must use a conventional 30-year fixed rate mortgage, and you have to have an income at or below the average household income for your area. In Tampa, we have the Dare to Own, which gives you up to $50,000. It used to be $40,000, it's up to $50,000 right now. And then there's the Tampa CRA down payment, another up to $50,000, about the same rules as well. Then there's Home Ready, which will give you 3% down payment option. You need 620 credit score, $500 credit for closing when buying a home path property. So if you buy a home path property with this Home Ready, you get another $500 towards your closing costs. Home Path Ready Buyer Program offers 3% cash contribution to cover mortgage closing expenses. And then there is Home Possible. There is the National Home Buyer Fund that will give you a cash grant of up to 5% of the purchase price. And you have the City of Clearwater, City of Lago. All of these have their own down payment program. So many opportunities, so many things you can do if you are wanting to buy a house and you need help with down payment assistance. Chase has a $7,500 grant towards your new home. Chase Homebuyer Grant provides qualified customers $7,500 that is first applied to help lower your interest rate. then it can be applied to chase fees, other fees, or possibly your down payment. There's also a $5,000 guarantee. So guaranteed on-time closing or get $5,000. We promise an on-time closing for eligible products in as soon as 3 weeks, or you'll get $5,000. There is also Bank of America home grant program as well. That gives you, I think this one was another, there's one that's 10,000 and then there's another 7,500, which makes it all together 17,500. So community homeownership commitment can help you with up to $17,500 when combining the down payment and closing cost grants in select markets. These are not loans, these are grants, so they don't need to be paid back. You have a maximum closing cost that can be paid by Suncoast, $3,000. This is for first-time home buyers. It's 10-1 adjustable rate mortgage. There's maintain your interest rate for at least 10 years, up to 97% financing available, save on your monthly payments since private mortgage insurance isn't required. They can give you 1% of your own funds when combined with another 2% gift from an immediate family member. Another way you can fund your down payment is to get gifts from family members or an employer or friend or church that can help you. Another grant is the real estate realtor care fund. They give you up to $7,500 as well. So it's doable, guys. If you want to buy a house, there are many ways to do it. Reach out. I'd love to help you out. I am your girl, Josett Gamble, a local real estate agent in Tampa, Florida. I love helping first-time home buyers. I love bringing all the down payment assistance programs that are available for you. If you want to know all the steps, if you want to know what to do, how to utilize these programs, feel free to reach out. I would love to work with you. I would love to expose all the possibilities to you so you can make the choice that best fits you and your family. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.